Fuck yeah. You know he's throwing on anything. What was that? Well, how was he butterfly kicking when he was out there? You see that? I don't know.
I'm recording it.
Good call. Are we gonna get another one?
Oh.
That'd be crazy. It's 3-0, 2026 Stanley Cup Finals. If they win this game, they win the cup.
No, come on, no wonder in the last 10 seconds. Yeah!